Hi, everyone. Welcome to this introductory lecture to Excel, one of the most popular spreadsheet programs used for data analysis and management. My name is Dr. Wendy Pierre. I have more than 20 years of experience in teaching Excel and science courses. I will be your guide and instructor for this lecture. Again, welcome to our course. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Excel course. In our today's lecture, we will see some more options in the Excel interface. So first of all, let's see what are formulas and functions and how we can perform them in Excel. Formulas and functions are basically the powerful tool in Excel and that allow users to manipulate data and perform calculations. So here I've mentioned some of the formulas like sum, average, if, count, and max. And we will do briefly them in this lecture and we'll do the details in the upcoming lecture. So let's perform each of them one by one. So for that, let's open Excel. Here I have just randomly put some data in the first 10 cells of the column A. And here I want the sum of all of these cells in this cell, A11. So I'll just go to the formula bar and just put equal to sum bracket A1 to A10 because I want the data from here to there to be added, and I'll close the bracket and just press enter. So here I have the sum of all of these data here. Now same thing here. And just press enter, and here I have the average. So we can perform more formulas like if, so why we use formula. If is a condition and return one value if the condition is true and another if the condition is false. For example, okay, so let's do that in A12. I'll just go to the formula bar and press equal to here, and then I'll just write if bracket A1 is greater than 10 and comma, and then just put this quotation marks, then yes, otherwise no, and I will just close the bracket, and when I will press enter here. So yeah, when I will press enter here, it says no. So the condition was if cell 1, A1, is greater than 10, then place yes, otherwise no. So this is not greater than 10, so the answer is no. So same thing like the previous one, we can do counts that is used to count the cells. For example, the number of cells in the ring that contain numbers. So here in a 13, I'll just put equal mark and then count. And we'll just mention the range. That is from A1 to A10, and then just press enter. So they say that 10, so from this to this cell, there are 10 cells that contain numbers. So the count is 10. So same as the case we can perform, we can see the maximum value in this range. So for that, put equal to max and brackets a 1 to a, and when I press enter, it show that 10. So from a 1 to a 10, 10 is the maximum value, so that's why they have shown it here.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe now for expert tips, tutorials, and tricks to master Excel like a pro.
Yeah, so the other thing that we can do is sorting and filtering of data. So we can sort data as well. How can we sort data in the Excel? To sort data in Excel, we need to follow some steps. So select the range of the cell that you want to sort. So for example, if I want to sort from A1 to A10, so I have to select this range. So once the range is selected, go to the Data tab in the ribbon. So then you have to go to this sort. So in the Sort dialog box, choose the column you want to sort by and select whether you want to sort in ascending and descending order. We have already selected column A, and here we can choose from largest to smallest. And when I'll press OK, so they have changed the values. Firstly, we have from 1 to 10. Now we have from 10 to 1. We can filter the data as well. To filter data in Excel, we need to follow again some steps. Select the range of the cell that you want to filter. Then we have to go to the data again, and then we have to press filter here. And after that, we will see a drop-down menu here. And when we'll click it, then we can see we can sort the data from smallest to the largest. Yeah, so they have again done something with our data from smallest to the largest. Right. So we can do it from largest to the smallest, and there's some error because of this raw data. We'll do with your proper data, then it will be fine.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe now for expert tips, tutorials, and tricks to master Excel like a pro.
So the next thing that we are going to see is charts and graphs. This is the visual representation of the data that can be created in Excel to help user better understand, analyze their data. Excel offers a wide range of chart types, each designed to display different types of data and patterns. Here are some commonly used chart types and how to create them in Excel. Let's open Excel. So we have to go to Insert, and here in the chart group, we can see different type of charts here. So first of all, let's see this column chart. A column chart is used to compare data across categories. And this, I think this is the column chart. Yeah. And these are the other charts. This is the pie chart, and it is used to show the proportion of each category in the total data set. So we will see all of these in the upcoming modules and upcoming lectures. And next, we have to see collaboration and sharing in the Excel, which are important feature in Excel and that allow multiple users to work on the same workbook or share their work with others. So, in a community or in a company where you are working, you can share your data in Excel as well. So, we will see all of these things in the further upcoming lectures. For now, in the upcoming lecture, we will see in detail how to combine data. What data can enter in a cell? So we will see this in detail in the upcoming lecture. So yeah, this is it for today, and thank you so much. Keep practicing, guys. I will see you in the next class.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe now for expert tips, tutorials, and tricks to master Excel like a pro. Don't miss out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe today. And hit the notification bell to be the first one to know when we release a new video. That is the only way you can support our community. May God bless you.